हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नर्सिंग करियर। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके लिए यूरिनरी सिस्टम एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ। आई होप आपके लिए ये आने वाले एग्जाम्स के लिए फर्दर जो है हेल्पफुल हो। सो फ्रेंड्स, मुझे कमेंट्स आ रहा था कि जितने भी आपके सिस्टम्स हैं लाइक यूरिनरी सिस्टम, रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, सभी के जो है क्वेश्चंस लेके आओ। तो मैंने अभी जो है आज यूरिनरी सिस्टम के ऊपर वीडियो बनाया है। आई होप आप सबको अच्छा लगेगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, the left kidney is usually slightly lower than the left because of, and its options are considerable space occupied by heart, right side is bigger than left, and option C is a considerable space occupied by the liver in right side, and last one is left kidney is bigger than right, and its answer is a considerable space occupied by the liver in the right side। जो हमारी right side वाली जो किडनी है वो क्यों जो है नीचे की तरफ होती है, क्योंकि उसकी जो उस जगह पे क्या होता है, हमारा लीवर होता है। देन नेक्स्ट है हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, where is urine stored in human body, and its options are urethra, ureter, kidney and urinary bladder, and its answer is a urinary bladder। यूरिन जो हमारा फॉर्म होता है वो हमारा किडनीज में होता है, और यूरिन जो है जब हमारा पास होता है यूरेटर से ब्लैडर में ड्यूरिंग द यूरिनेशन, तो यूरिन जो हमारा पास होता है ब्लैडर थ्रू यूरेथ्रा टू द आउटसाइड ऑफ द बॉडी। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, where is the most water reabsorbed in nephron, and its options are glomerulus, proximal convoluted tubules, vasa recta and urethra, and its answer is a proximal convoluted tubules में जो है हमारा सबसे ज्यादा वाटर की reabsorption होती है। Question number fourth, the yellow color of the urine is due to the presence of, and its options are urochrome, sterobilin, melanin and keratin, and its answer is a यूरोकोरोम। जो ये पिगमेंट होती है जिसकी वजह से येलो कलर जो है हमारे यूरिन का आता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर फिफ्थ, द रीनल corpuscles is composed of, and its options are glomerulus and Bowman capsule, glomerulus and collecting duct, Bowman capsule and uretus, and last one is Bowman capsule and urethra, and its answer is a glomerulus and a Bowman's capsule। Then next है हमारा question number sixth, micturition means, and its options are filtration of urine, option B formation of urine, and option C the action of urinating, and option D is all of the above। micturition का meaning होता है the action of urinating। Question number seventh, cystitis is inflammation of, and its options are gallbladder, urinary bladder, cyst and liver, and its answer is a urinary bladder में जब हमारे inflammation हो जाती है उसको हम बोलते हैं cystitis। Question number 8, which nursing action can best prevent infection from a urinary retention catheter, and its options are encourage adequate fluid, irrigating the catheter once daily, cleansing the perineum, and last one is cleaning around the meatus routinely। सबसे पहले जब हमने कैथेटर किसी को इंसर्ट हुआ है, ठीक है, उस टाइम पे हमने मेनली ये देखना होता है जो हमारा क्लीन अराउंड द मीटस जो एरिया होता है हमारा उसको डेली क्लीन करना चाहिए। अगर उसमें इन्फेक्शन होगा तो फर्दर इनसाइड जो है बॉडी के इन्फेक्शन चला जाएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर नाइन्थ, a nurse is assessing the urine for a client with urinary tract infection, for which characteristics should the nurse assess specimen for urine, and its options are glucose level, viscosity and specific gravity, and last one is a clarity, and its answer is a clarity। अगर किसी को यूटीआई हो रखा है तो उसके जो यूरिन है उसमें क्लाउड्स फॉर्मेशन जो है ज्यादा होएगी एज कंपेयर टू नॉर्मल। अगर नॉर्मल है तो उसका जो यूरिन है वो क्लियर होएगा, ठीक है। Then next है हमारा question number 10th, the dialysis solution is warmed before the use of peritoneal dialysis primarily to, and its options are encourage the removal of serum urea, force potassium back into the cells, add extra warmth to the body, and last one is a promote abdominal muscle relaxation. And its answer is a encourage the removal of serum urea. Question number 11. The following symptoms seen in nephrotic syndrome except, and its options are hypoalbuminemia, edema, hyperlipidemia, and none of the above. And its answer is a none of the above, क्योंकि हमारा जो नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम है उसमें क्या है, ये जो सिम्टम्स है इनमें से जो कोई भी सिम्टम है, जैसे नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम में हमारे बॉडी में सब होता है, हाइपोएल्बुमिनिया भी होता है, एडीमा भी होता है और हाइपरलिपिडीमिया कंडीशन भी होती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. A decrease in the urine output is called dysuria, nocturia, oliguria, and polyuria. And its answer is oliguria. जब हमारा यूरिन आउटपुट 500 ml से कम होता है तो उसको हम oliguria बोलते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. Each kidney contains about dash nephrons and its options are 1 million, 2 million, 10 million, and last one is 10,000. एंड इट्स आंसर इज 1 मिलियन. जो हमारी एक किडनी होती है वो कितने नेफ्रॉन्स कंटेन करती है? 1 मिलियन नेफ्रॉन्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. द ब्लड सप्लाई ऑफ द ब्लैडर, its options are abdominal artery, renal artery, internal iliac artery, and last one is a gonadal artery. And its answer is the internal iliac जो artery होती है वो हमारी supply करती है bladder को. Question number 15. The normal glomerular filtration rate is 125 ml per minute, 250 ml per minute, 150 ml per minute, and last one is a 500 ml per minute. And its answer is a 125 ml per minute. ये क्वेश्चन भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. द नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. Which of the following passively reabsorb sodium and chloride from the glomerular filtrate? And its options are proximal convoluted tubules, distal convoluted tubules, Henry's loop, and collecting duct. And its answer is a Henry's loop. Question number 17. Which of the following hormone is secreted by the kidney? And its options are renin, erythropoietin, calciferol, and both A and B. And its answer is both A and B. Renin और जो हमारा erythropoietin है वो secrete होता है हमारी kidney से. ये question भी important है. Question number 18. Which of the following stimulates the secretion of aldosterone? And its options are renin, angiotensinogen, angiotensin 1, and angiotensin 2. And its answer is angiotensin 2. Question number 19. The homeostasis of acidity is regulated at PCT, TCT, loop of Henle, and collecting dust. And its answer is a proximal convoluted tubule. Question number 20. Which of the epithelium covers the urinary bladder? And its options are cuboid, columnar, ciliated, and transitional. And its answer is transitional epithelial जो है हमारे cover करता है हमारे urinary bladder को. Question number 21. The normal adult value of urine output is, and its options are 1.5 liter per day, 3 liter per day, 0.5 liter per day, 2 liter per day, and its answer is a 1.5 liter per day. Question number 22. The basic functional unit of human kidney is nephron, woman's capsule, urethra, and urinary bladder, and its answer is a nephron. Question number 23rd. Which carries urine from bladder to the outside of body? And its options are urethra, urinary bladder, collecting duct, and nephron. And its answer is a urethra. Question number 24th. Accumulation of urea and other waste substance in the blood is called hemodialysis, cystitis, uremia, and urethritis. And its answer is a uremia. Question number 25th. Correct sequence of urine formation is filtration, reabsorption, and secretion. Option B, secretion, reabsorption, and filtration. And option C is reabsorption, secretion, and filtration. And last one is reabsorption, filtration, and secretion. And its answer is a यूरिन फॉर्मेशन का हमारा सीक्वेंस कैसे, सबसे पहले फिल्ट्रेशन होती है, उसके बाद एब्जॉर्प्शन होती है, फिर उसकी सिक्रीशन होती है. Question number 26. If a man takes a large amount of protein, he is likely to excrete more amount of glucose, urea and uric acid, water and salt. And its answer is urea and uric acid. जो है ज्यादा, अगर आदमी ने ज्यादा प्रोटीन खाया तो उसके जो जब वो एक्सक्रीट करेगा यूरिन, तो उसके उसमें यूरिया और यूरिक एसिड ज्यादा होगा. Question number 27. The renal medulla consists of cone-shaped tissue mass called, and its options are renal pyramid, adipose capsule, renal cortex, and last one is renal pelvis, and its answer is a renal pyramid. Question number 28. Urea is produced as an excretory substance in human body is urinary bladder, liver, kidney, and rectum, and its answer is a liver. जो हमारा CO2 होता है वो प्रोड्यूस्ड होता है यूरिया बाय द लीवर. CO2 प्रोड्यूस होता है जब हम रेस्पिरेशन जो है लेते हैं, ठीक है. तो यूरिया जो प्रोड्यूस होता है वह डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ अनयूज्ड प्रोटीन इन द लीवर. Question number 29. When the infection invades the urinary bladder, it is called, and its options are cystitis, urethritis, pyelonephritis, and hemodialysis, and its answer is a cystitis. Question number 30 and last question is, which of the following leads to the secretion of aldosterone from the adrenal cortex? And its options are chymotrypsin, trypsin, renin, and none of these. And its answer is a renin. Thank you guys. I hope आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी है और नॉलेजेबल लगी है, तो प्लीज इसे लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर करें. Thank you.